One of the most difficult things to do is discernment. I've recently been having a lot of people say, thank you so much for the advice you've given. And I want to talk to you about discernment because it can be a joy crippler if you don't do it. If anyone is ever trying to force you to do something and saying you got to do it now or the opportunity is going to be lost or one time only and for today, I could put you into, run the other way. You know this intuitively. People that are trying to do the right thing by you are not going to be pressuring you and forcing you in that manner. And when they do, they don't have their best interest in mind. They got yours. That's rule number one of discernment. Rule number two, don't let anyone crush your dreams and your vision. Now, I know you hear this all the time. I'm talking about real world stuff here. There are people out there that will do that because they don't get it. There are people out there that will do it because they have nefarious intent. There are people out there that will try to crush your dreams because they can't take the idea that you're doing something that they're not. And there may even be, here's the difficult one, people who are well-meaning and love you, don't see your vision, don't feel your passion, think it's too risky. Oh, what if this, that, and the other thing? All limiting beliefs. If you are passionate about it and it's something you want to pursue, go for it, full-throated, go for it. The worst that happens is you fail. And like I've been saying in the other videos, if you dare greatly and fail greatly, that is no problem. You'll have great joy in your life still. It's not doing it. It's failing to do it and looking back and wish you had done it. That's where the problem is. Look, in my life, I've had it myself. I've had to stop. I've had to discern, look, make sure I'm making the right decisions, take all those opinions in and go. But whenever two things hit me, and I ask that they hit you too. When somebody tries to force you to do something, reflexively back away from it. And if someone tries to crush your dream and what it is you want to do, reflexively back away from that. You got this. And I think this is really important, especially for our younger people and even for people who are older. Sometimes you can lose sight. Discernment. Take your time. Don't be rushed. Pursue your dreams. Protect your mindset.